Hello, it's Olga, and today I wanted to make a very simple tutorial for those of you who are starting with Procreate and don't know how to import new brushes to your iPad. First of all, you will need to download or transfer the brushset file to your iPad. In my case, I will download in my own free brush that I will save on my iPad. Then, you just need to find the folder where you saved the brush file and click it to open. If you have already Procreate installed, it will import the brushes automatically. Now, let's open the brush library. If the creator saved the brushes as a folder, it will appear on top. But in this case, we are looking for a single brush, so you will need to navigate to the bottom and find the imported folder. A second method is to open the brush library and click the plus symbol on top. This will create a new brush. Then, click Import and select the saved brush. It will open the file automatically. Another method is to drag the file into Procreate. Open Files on the side and drag the brush file into Procreate. It's that simple. If you want to, you can pin it, so it will conveniently appear on top of the recent brushes. To do it so, swipe left on the brush and select Pin. A star will appear to mark it as a pinned brush. I always do this with my most used brushes. If you want to try this tutorial, you can use my free pencil brush. I will leave the link down below. You can use the same process with the brushes from Photoshop. So I hope you find it useful and feel free to ask any questions on the comments. I'll see you in the next one!